Hello and welcome to Among Us plush version. As you can see, these are not Among Us plushies, but they are rather dog plushies. But let's begin. Okay, the one you will see any second now is the imposter. This guy right here, he is the imposter. He is the imposter. So let's put him right here. We kept trying to make some before, but I kept getting interrupted. So let me close this door and let's begin. So everybody must spawn by the emergency table. Right here. Sorry it's a little dark. Let me turn on the lamp. But as you can see, there is one imposter among us. Nobody can hear anybody else. Well, they can. So, I am the imposter. Well, it just depends. I'm the imposter, yes. Well, I should probably go fake some tasks. Ooh, what's this task? Ooh, it's my task. Fake a task. What is he doing? Oh, I guess he's doing a task. Well, I guess I should do this task next to him. Let's go over here, gang. Let's go down here, guys. These guys are now in medbay. These guys are now in admin, storage, and electrical, and comms. But these guys. Hey, you want to know something? What? Hurry, go walk with them. Hey, can I join you guys? Yeah. He goes into electrical. I'm going to separate from my group. A body. You did this. Report. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Body reported. Sorry I did that. Setting up. So guys, I found this guy's body, and you want to know who was next to it? Who? The guy I'm pushing right here. I didn't do it. Chihuahua dog was not the imposter. Oh. Emergency meeting. Vote him out. What? No. German Shepherd was not the imposter. You know what? I'm changing the imposter to this guy because there's two of these. And I forget. But let's just pretend. Oh, wait, no. This one's the imposter. There we go. Never mind. Okay, so you guys can go in there. Me and him will go over here. And you guys go over here. You're alone. Come on. I don't want to be alone. That's dangerous. Here, I gotta go do a task in a different room. Oh, I gotta do this task over here. I'm back. Hey, what are you doing away from your teammate? Nothing. Nothing. Hey, why is my report button glowing? I don't know. Move out of the way. Body reported. Guys, it's this guy. Proof? He was acting sus around the body. What do you mean? No, it's you. If not me, then it's not me. Vote him. Everybody votes him besides himself. This dog, I don't know what it is, was not the imposter. Emergency meeting! Let's vote him out. Skip. Okay. Skip. I voted him. Okay. That was weird. Well, I should probably, why is nobody voting? What? Well, they can go together. Besides him. Hey. Guys, it's true. It's this guy. He killed in front of me. What do you mean? No, I did not. You killed in front of me. No, you killed in front of me. No, it's vice versa. So you killed in front of me. This guy here, Pug was not the imposter. It's not me, guys. It's not me. It's Pug Puppy. This dog was the imposter. Yay, we win. We win. We win. Yes. Victory. Why did you have to say it like that? Why not? Good point. Well, this is the end of this video. This is one imposter, but the crewmates win. There's going to be one imposter, but the imposter wins. Uploaded later. And don't worry. There will be two of the two imposter ones coming out. With one losing and one winning. Same with 3. Winning and losing. I don't know how crewmates are going to win that. Like me and him. Unless me and him are imposters. But see you next time. Once this hits 7 minutes.